Welcome to Fika Theory. Today we are testing a viral trend, a rich velvety chocolate fudge made with just two simple ingredients. No added sugar, completely effortless and incredibly delicious. All you need are 3 ripe or 2 ripe bananas depending on the size, mashed until completely smooth, and 200 grams of your favorite melted chocolate. First, we're blending our bananas until they transform into a silky, completely smooth texture. Make sure there are absolutely no lumps left behind. It creates the perfect creamy base for our fudge. Next comes the chocolate. I am cutting it into small pieces. I am melting it gently here over a bain-marie, letting the steam from the hot water to do the work slowly. But if you're short on time, a quick spin in the microwave works beautifully too. I always find this part so fascinating, watching the chocolate slowly melt, turning smooth and glossy. It's incredibly relaxing. It's the perfect reminder to slow down. There's a beautiful rhythm to baking. It forces us to step away from our busy screens and just be present at the moment. It's a gentle reminder that some of the best things in life takes a little patience. Now we mix them together until they form a glossy, thick batter. It's amazing how simple it is. We spread it into a pan and let it sit in the fridge. If you love these slow, easy baking moments with me, please consider subscribing. I share new recipes every week, all designed to make your Fika time with family and friends just a little bit cozier. Once chilled, it transforms into a dense, solid, but yet beautifully melty fudge. Just 2 or 3 bananas and 200 grams of chocolate. Cutting this fudge, it feels like unwrapping a small gift. It yields to the knife so softly. Each piece is a little invitation to pause, breathe, and savor a quiet moment. After all, Fika isn't just about food on the plate. It's about comfort, the connection, and the space we make for ourselves and the people we love. Pour yourself a warm drink and enjoy your Fika. See you on the next one.